I'm Priscilla, an illustrator, surface pattern designer, educator, and owner of Cardwell & Inc., a design studio based in Australia. I'm so excited to welcome you to my course, Mastering Affinity Designer V2 on the iPad, a beginner's guide for illustration and graphic design. Whether you're an illustrator looking to elevate your designs, a creative seeking a powerful alternative to subscription-based apps, or someone new to vector art, this course is for you. I know how daunting it can be to switch from a pixel-based workflow to learning a vector program with a new interface. It can feel like you're starting from scratch, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this course, I'll guide you step by step to confidently master Affinity Designer V2 on the iPad. So you might ask, why learn vector art? Vector illustrations are a game changer. They're used everywhere, from logos and branding to patterns for apparel, home decor, and digital ads. The best part is that vectors are infinitely scalable, so you can resize and recolor your designs without losing any resolution or quality. Industries like graphic design, fashion, advertising, and app design depend on vector graphics, and mastering these skills will give you a competitive edge, making vector art a valuable addition to your toolkit. In this class, we'll dive into 2 projects to help you build your skills. First, a flat style coffee cup illustration to master the basics, and then a 3D plant-based art print where we'll explore adding depth and dimension. Along the way, you'll learn how to navigate the interface with ease, essential tools like the pen, pencil, gradient, and text tools, and features like layer, color studios, and effects to give your designs a professional finish. I'll finish up with showing you how to export your artwork in the correct format for print or digital use. To make things even easier, I've included sketches and color palettes for both of your class projects so you can follow along seamlessly. All you will need for this class is your iPad, a stylus, and the Affinity Designer V2 app. So if you are ready to dive into vector art and unlock a new level of creative freedom, join me in class. And we'll get started in the next lesson by accessing your class resources.